Hey guys, on today's item shop we have a few things that just came out and they're pretty cool. So first of all, we have finally an update for the limited time offers available. So this one, plus we have other skins available such as Red Jade that we've seen from before, plus Weld X, which is a wrap that's pretty neat. We also have this skin available right now and this pretty cool glider available for us to purchase right now. And that's why the price, because it's brand new, never seen before. Plus this outfit that a lot of people are fans, and then there's others that are not that much. And of course we have this harvesting tool, which I can't really say I'm a fan of. It just looks kind of creepy to me. Then we have Burnout right here. And we got an all-time favorite, Assault Trooper. A few emotes making our way. Have a Seat, which is one of my favorites. And this emote, which I find pretty neat. Plus this Frosty Glow wrap, which looks pretty good. Now depending which skin you guys have, this could go very well with it. And luckily we still have time for Loser Fruit, including the bundle, the skin, or even Bounce Berry, the emote itself. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.